Glenn, just your first assessments, reactions to that match, pretty frustrating, I imagine.
Yeah, no, it was frustrating. I think we created plenty of opportunities to score tries. Thought we started the game really well with a great try. Then just as we watched the game, just some individual errors that aren't good enough for to beat the Chiefs, and that's essentially what it came down to. But really happy with how they stuck in the game. We could have scored right at the end there, and 2 tries each. I think in the second half showed where boys didn't give up and kept going for 80 minutes.
The Chiefs try where Tristessa kicked the ball ahead, grubber from inside your own end goal. Do you know what happened there, or what was your reaction to that moment?
Well, obviously, it's not what we're after, is it? A moment like that. I think maybe could have been looked at if he was obstructed, but I don't know. It was it's not good enough.
I guess for yourself, what are the motivations like as a coach wanting to end the season on a good note during the next 4 or 5 weeks before you leave the draw?
Same as it was at the beginning of the year. We said to the boys, if we win 5 of our last 7, we'll make the playoffs. So, we'll take some good learnings out of that. Chiefs are a quality team, and I thought we had them on the racks quite a few times. We just didn't score tries. So, we've got a 6-day turnaround to go back home. Depends if we can drop a high ball and be offside, and maybe we won't get that this next week, and we can crack on with some footy that we know we're going to have a sold-out crowd. I believe in Bar, so we're looking forward to that.
Just that we're going to turn home to Bar. I guess how much energy does that bring to the side after? Like the last start winning for us at home. Like, how much do you guys thrive with that?
It's we got a lot of energy back home and stuff. With like home game advantage and stuff, but it all comes down to consistency, and that's what we saw tonight. We weren't consistent enough, and we'll build points, but then we'll slacken off a little bit, which is not good enough against a quality side. But having a home game and home crowd advantage, hopefully that will psych up the boys.
Can I see both your thoughts on the Super Round concept? Firstly, what it's like from your perspective, just seeing all the Fijian fans around, and secondly, I guess your kids to try and get it to come and potentially have ball around, or whatever you want to call it in Fiji.
Oh, I thought it was unbelievable. What a great advertisement for rugby and Super Rugby. I think Christchurch put it on. The stadium is world class. I think the running of everything. Super Rugby asked us, Sands asked us to put out our best teams. I think everyone did that. Maybe not. You got 2 international World Cup referees on the sideline. Maybe that's something to be interested about around that. But in terms of what the city does, I've been here a lot with Christchurch, where they're reffing or playing, and we all know how good it is, not just for Christchurch, but I think the people that came from Australia travelling from Fiji was unreal. Bull around, we've got a fair bit to do, I'd say, before that can happen with the stadium what we have at the moment.